Chapter 21 Measures of Central Tendency. Exercise 21.1. Question number first. Calculate the arithmetic mean of 5.7, 6.6, 7.2, 9.3, 6.2. Arithmetic mean of 5.7, 6.6, 7.2, 9.3 and 6.2. Mean is equal to sum of numbers divided by total number. That is 5.7 plus 6.6 plus 7.2 plus 9.3 plus 6.2 divided by total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.7 plus 6.6 plus 7.2 plus 9.3 plus 6.2 equal to 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 6 equal to 13, 13 plus 7 that is 20 and 2 carry. 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 7 20, 20 plus 9 29, 29 plus 6 is equal to 35.0. So mean equal to 35 divided by 5. 5 sevens are 35 and arithmetic mean equal to 7. Answer. First question. Calculate the arithmetic mean of 5.7, 6.6, 7.2, 9.3 and 6.2. Mean equal to sum of numbers divided by total number. Sum of numbers is 5.7 plus 6.6 plus 7.2 plus 9.3 plus 6.2, that is equal to 35. And total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number is 5. So 35 divided by 5, that is 7 5s are 35. So mean equal to 7. Answer. Question number 2. The marks obtained by 15 students in a class test are 12, 14, 7, 9, 23, 11, 8, 13, 11, 19, 16, 24, 17, 3 and 20. Find the mean of their marks. The mean of their marks when the marks of each students are increased by 4. The mean of their marks when 2 marks are deducted from the marks of each students. Fourth part, the mean of their marks when the marks of each students are doubled. First, the mean of their marks. Mean of 15 students marks equal to is equal to 12 plus 14 plus 7 plus 9 plus 23 plus 11 plus 8 plus 13 plus 11 plus 19 plus 16 plus 24 plus 17 plus 3 plus 20 and whole divided by 15. 12, 14, 7, 9, 23, 11, 8 and 13. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 9, 20, 2 plus 3, 25, 26 and 34, 37. 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 7 plus 2, 9. That is 97. So 97 plus 11, 11 plus 19 plus 16 plus 24, 17, 3 and 20. 7 plus 3, 10, 20, 30, 37. 3 carry, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. Mean equal to 207 upon 15. 207 divided by 15. 15 ones are 15. 5, 7. 15 threes are 45. 12.0. 15 fours are 60. 15 eights are 120. So mean is equal to 13.8. Answer, first part. And second part, the mean of their marks when the marks of each students are increased by 4. When the marks of each students is increased by 4. Then new mean is increased by 15 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 60. So new mean is equal to 207 plus 60 divided by 15, that is equal to 267 divided by 15. 15 ones are 15. 11 7. 15 sevens are 105. 2 1.0. 8 are 120. So new mean is equal to 17.8. Answer. And third part, the mean of their marks when 2 marks is deducted from the marks of each students. When 2 marks is deducted, then new mean is decreased by 15 into 2 is equal to 30. So new mean equal to 207 minus 30 divided by 15. 207 minus 30, that is equal to 7, and 10 minus 3 is 7, 1 divided by 15. 15 ones are 15, 2, 7, 15 ones are 15, 12.0, 15 eights are 120. So their means is equal to 11.8 answer. And fourth part, the mean of their marks when the marks of each students are doubled. When the marks of each students are doubled, then new mean will be 2 into 207 divided by 15, that is equal to 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4 divided by 15. 414 divided by 15, 15 2s are 30, 114, and 15 7s are 105, 9.0, 15 6 are 90. So their mean will be, which implies 27.6 answer. Marks obtained by 15 students. Mean of 15 students marks, that is equal to 12 plus 14 plus 7 plus 9 plus 23 plus 11 plus 8 plus 13 plus 11 plus 19 plus 26 plus 24 plus 17 plus 3 plus 20. That is total sum is equal to 207 divided by total number is 15. So required mean is 13.8 answer. And second part, when the marks of each student is increased by 4, then new mean is increased by 60. 15 4s are 60. So new mean equal to 207 plus 60 increased by 60, that is equal to 267 upon 15, that is 17.8 answer. And when 2 marks is deducted, then new mean is decreased by 30, that is 207 minus 30, decreased by 30 means 207 minus 30 divided by 15. So new mean equal to 11.8 answer. And when the marks of each students are doubled, then new mean will be doubled, 207 multiplied by 2 and divided by 15. 7 2s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. 414 divided by 15 that is equal to 27.6. So mean equal to 27.6 answer. Thank you.